It's hard to see on the camera, but every now and then the smoke coming out of the barrel is catching on fire. You can hear the wood popping and stuff, so I think we're starting to get some charcoal on the bottom, but most of this smoke coming out of here is actually just steam. It feels wet. Pieces like this are still wet. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cook a baked potato here. Get this thing surrounded by coals. For dinner, I thought I'd cook myself a whole chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and spatchcock this bird, which is basically a way of preparing it so it lays down flat.